Hello.
From the technical maintenance department in regards to your Microsoft Windows computer. How are you doing today?
Okay.
The reason I'm calling you because we have been getting error messages from your computer for quite a long time, and it shows us that there are some hidden infections, malicious programs.
I'm sorry, you trailed off there. What?
Okay. Sir, this is Max Martin, and I am calling you from the technical maintenance department in regards to your Microsoft Windows computer. So how are you doing today?
Good.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
So the reason I'm calling you because we have been getting error messages from your computer for quite a long time, and it shows us that there are some hidden infections, malicious programs, malware functions, and hidden jumps that are getting downloaded on your computer, residing at the hard drive, infecting the hard drive, and blocking many software to perform their work in a proper way. So we are afraid to tell you that your computer may crash it down at any point of time. It's a routine checkup call that I am calling you for. Okay?
Okay.
So, sir, I believe that you are in front of your computer now and it's turned it on, because now I want to show you all the infections which are getting downloaded on your computer. And you will also see in your own eyes on your own computer that all the infections, by following this type of simple steps that now I will tell you. Remember that this is the needed and the requirements of your computer. So that's why I've given you this routine checkup call. So now look at your keyboard at the extreme left bottom corner. You can see the CTRL key, that means control key. Got it?
Yep. I have it.
Just next to the CTRL key, which key do you see now on your keyboard? Please tell me.
I see a start key.
Sorry?
Start.
So just tell me which key do you see now? You can see now it's like FN key, or it's like 4 flag Windows key. What type of key you can see on your keyboard?
It says start on it.
Sorry?
The key next to my control key says start on it.
You can see it's like a 4 flag Windows key.
I don't know what that means.
Next to the control key, which key do you see now on your keyboard?
It hasn't changed.
FN. You can see FN, or like Microsoft Windows key. What do you have?
Let's say it's a Windows key. What do I need to do?
Now you need to press that 4 flag Windows key and you hold it, and from another finger press the letter R as in Romeo at the same time.
Okay.
Now what do you see?
The run box is open.
Okay. So is anything typed in that run box, or it's blank?
It's blank.
Now you just typed in there, all are in small letters, like E as in Edward,
Okay, E.
V as in Victor,
Okay.
E as in Edward again,
Okay.
N as in no,
Okay.
T as in tiger.
Okay.
V as in Victor again.
Okay.
R as in Romeo.
Okay.
So I want to confirm it once again. What you typed here. Tell me once from beginning.
EVENTVR.
Sorry, sir. After V, it will be W as in water.
So,
We again, I am telling you what you type. What you have to type. You have to type now. Event VWR.
okay.
Now you just see below there are three options. OK, cancel, browse. So just click on OK and tell me now what do you see after click on OK on your regular screen of your computer.
I see the event viewer.
So now tell me what do you see?
I see the event viewer.
Sorry?
The event viewer.
So now on the top of the page at the left hand side, do you see now event viewer local?
Yes, I do.
So what are the options do you see underneath event viewer local on your left hand side? Please tell me.
I see custom views, Windows logs, application and services, and subscriptions.
So now you have to now you have to give left double click on custom views.
Okay.
Now what do you see?
I see custom views.
Now what do you see after doing that?
It changed to the custom views available.
Yes, I've told you to give left double click on custom views. Did it?
Yes, I did.
Now what do you see? Just tell me fast.
The custom views pane has appeared. Now, you work for Microsoft?
We are tech support provider of the Microsoft Windows computer.
Of the computer or of Microsoft?
Of the Microsoft Windows computer.
No, they're two different things. Do you work for the company that made the computer, or do you work for Microsoft that made the operating system? Because I got to say, I built the computer myself.
Sir, I will tell you, sir, I will tell you. You know that Microsoft has a big manufacturing company and it has millions of customers over the globe. So they don't have so much time to take each and every call from the customers. That's why we here come into play. Okay?
Okay, because like I said, I built the computer myself. Let's maybe skip because, I've actually been working with computers for nearly 35 years now. If you need me to run something, let's see what do we need to run here?
I have told you to do now left double click on custom views. Give left double click on custom views.
Which custom view do you want me to look at? I have left-clicked on Custom Views. I have told you that the Custom Views pane has appeared in Event Viewer. Which custom view?
Now what do you see?
I see Event Viewer in the Custom Views pane.
Okay, okay. Just leave it that one. Okay, just leave it that one, and you just give now double left click on Windows lock.
Okay. Now I see Windows logs.
Yeah, now what do you see?
Now I see Windows logs.
Left double click on Windows logs.
I did that. I now
What do you
see.
see?
I see.
Now what do you see after giving to click? Now what do you see on your regular screen of your computer? Tell me.
I see Windows logs. I double clicked on Windows logs. Now I see them. I didn't think that would be a surprise.
So what do you want to do now then?
What do I want to
Tell
do?
me fast. You have very limited time. You want to cache it down your computer now? You want to fix it up? What do you want to do?
I'm doing what you're telling me to do.
Sorry?
I'm doing what you're telling me to do.
Which one you need it? Just tell me fast.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand the question.
What?
I didn't understand the question.
I'm telling you, I have told you to give now left double click on Windows logs. Then what do you see?
I double click on Windows logs, and then I see the Windows logs. That's the way double click works. Whatever you click on will show you the content of that thing.
Now you can see the administrative events.
Yes, I can.
So just tell me first, sir, now what do you want to do? You want to just cache it down your computer now, or you want to just fix it up?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
The administrative events.
I see administrative events. Yes, I do.
So once again, left double click on administrative events.
Okay. I've done that.
Now what do you see? Give double left click on administrative events. After that, now what do you see? Just tell me.
I see the list of administrative events. 1,829 administrative events.
Now give left double click on administrative events. Did it?
Yes, I did it. I double click on it and then I see the list of administrative events.
Yes, now left double click on administrative events.
Yeah, I already did that. That's why I'm seeing them.
Now you have given double left click on custom views. Sorry, double left click on administrative events.
I did that. I did that already.
Now what do you see?
I see the list of events. Administrative events leads me to a list of administrative events. I'm looking at that list of events.
Now you can see on your regular screen this type of bad red cross errors, yellow triangle warnings. Can you see that?
Oh yeah, I see quite a few. So I see a lot of errors here.
And you can see the warnings also. It's like yellow triangle warnings.
I see a whole bunch of them.
So remember that, don't click on that errors and warnings. These are the very, very most dangerous for your computer. So if you will click on that, then your computer may crash. So please don't click, okay?
I won't click on any of those to make my computer crash.
So just tell me now, what do you see?
I see the same thing we just talked about me seeing. You haven't told me to do anything else. I went into administrative events. I see all the bad errors, and I'm not touching them because it'll make my computer crash. So now I'm waiting for you. You still there?
Yes, I am also too good to find. Now what do you see?
I haven't moved. I'm still at the list of errors.
So now what do you see?
I'm still at the list of errors.
Yeah, after doing that, now what do you see on your regular screen of your computer? Can you tell me that?
I see the list of errors. I haven't done anything since we got to the list of errors.
Yeah, you are looking list of errors. So remember that, don't click on that errors and warnings. These are the very, very most dangerous for your computer. If you will click on that, then and there your computer may crash. So please don't click, okay?
Okay, I don't want my computer to crash.
Now you just go ahead and just give me the rough idea that how many errors and warnings do you see now on your regular screen. You don't have to count each and every one, okay?
Well, it says
just
at the
give me
top.
rough idea like 10, 20 or 40, 60 or 100 like this. How many it is?
It says it at the top. There's 91.
Now what do you see?
There's 91.
What 91?
The question you just asked.
Errors
How
and
many?
warnings?
Yes, there are 91 errors and warnings.
Oh my goodness. So now let it be, I have told you before that I will show you all the infections which were getting downloaded on your computer. And you will also see in your own eyes and your own computer that all the infections by following this type of simple steps that now I will tell you. Remember that this is the needed and the requirements of your computer. So that's why I have given you this routine checkup call.
Okay.
So now what do you see?
I'm still on the list of errors.
Okay, just give me the rough idea how many it is. It's like 10 or 20, 40, 60, 100 like this. How many it is? You don't have to count each and every one. Just give me rough idea.
There's 91 errors.
Oh my goodness. So now let it be. I've told you before that I will show you all the infections, and you will also see in your own eyes and your own computer that all the infections by following this type of simple steps that now I will tell you. Remember that this is the needed and the requirements of your computer. That's why I've given you this routine checkup call. So now look at your keyboard at the extreme left bottom corner.
Okay.
So now do you have any idea what are these errors and warnings are?
Yeah, I know almost all of them.
Sorry?
Yeah, I know almost all of them. As I said, I've worked with computers for 35 years.
Okay, I will tell you once again what are these. These are the hidden infections, malicious programs, malware functions and hidden jumps that are getting downloaded on your computer, residing at the hard drive, infecting the hard drive and blocking many software to perform their work in a proper way, and form a bunch of the errors and warnings and move towards the application and system part of your computer and blocking them in a way. And the worst part is that they are trying to enter into the registry file and boot sector of your computer. As I said that they keep on multiplying themselves and keeping on blocking. So once they enter into the boot sector of your computer, and once the boot sector of your computer is blocked, then your computer will not be able to even turn on. Got it?
It sounds bad.
So could you please tell me how old your computer is?
About 3 months?
And I believe when you purchase your computer, you must have got two kinds of warranty on it. The first is hardware warranty, which is provided by the manufacturer of your computer. And second is the software maintenance warranty, which is provided by the Microsoft, correct?
Well, I built the computer myself.
Sorry?
I built the computer myself. You still there?